SQL Managed Instance connects like a smart switchboard. Imagine you're trying to call someone who lives in a huge, secure apartment complex. You don't call them directly, instead, you reach a front desk or gatekeeper who routes your call to the right apartment. That's how connections work in SQL Managed Instance, when an application or user wants to connect. The request goes through a special gatekeeper called a gateway. This gateway decides where to send the request securely and quickly. It's built to be highly available, meaning if one part fails, others take over so your connection stays smooth and uninterrupted. Backups, like having a magical autosave. Now imagine writing a long, important document and having it automatically saved every few minutes, with past versions stored safely in a backup folder in another city, just in case your laptop crashes. That's exactly what SQL Managed Instance does with your database backups. It automatically saves full backups like a full copy. Differential backups only changes since the last full backup, and transaction log backups tiny snapshots of every change. These backups are stored in paired regions. So even if one area faces a problem like a power outage or storm, your data is safe in another. Important backup rules to know: you can overwrite an existing database when restoring. It's like trying to paste over a file that is still open. You must delete or rename the existing one first. Backups from SQL Managed Instance can only be restored to another SQL Managed Instance, not to a regular SQL Server or other Azure SQL services. If you want to keep an extra backup on your own terms, say, in your own storage, you can do a copy-only backup to Azure Blob Storage, a cool option only available for SQL Managed Instance. So, in short, SQL Managed Instance is like a well-managed, secure apartment complex with auto backups and a smart front desk that handles all your calls, connections reliably and safely.